Hey guys, welcome back. Today I picked up a K&N recharger kit for my air filter, and it's not too dirty, but I want to go ahead and clean it anyway. So it comes with the instructions like we ever use them, but they do come with them. And let me go ahead and go over them with you real quick, just in case you guys want to pick up the cleaner or just the oil by itself. Step 1. Spray cleaner on both sides, allow it to soak for 10 minutes. Do not let dry on the filter. Step 2, rinse it off with cool, low pressure water. It says not to use a nozzle for your hose or put your thumb over the hole, and make it spray any harder than it do nothing for you. And when they say to wash it off too, which we're going to go over, just wash it off from the top down. That way if you wash it this side, coming out this way, all the debris is going to come back up on the other side. So we're going to wash it top down. And then third, of course, put the oil back on it, and then we're good to go. So let's go ahead and put the cleaner on it. I picked up the kit that has everything's spray, not aerosol. I'll make it for you. Alright. So go ahead and it says apply pretty liberally. Spray the hell out of it. Nice and soaked in there really well. My dog. I don't know what the hell I'm doing out here. But I just finished up a little project painting. I painted my my engine cover for my Dodge Dart. Painted with the base coat, which is red. Code for the car is PR3 Torrid Red or Tor Red. They had a hard time finding it over at O'Reilly's. I don't know why, but it has different colors for PR3. You have 3 different colors. You have Torrid, Torrid Red, and a third one is Flash Red. But they all got the same PR code, the PR3 code. So I guess it just depends on whatever you want. I went ahead and did the Flash Red on it because the Tor Red's kind of hard to find unless you go to, I guess, through a Chrysler dealer and get the original color. But I'll be sure to show you guys that too. I just did that and sprayed like finger flicks some black on it. Get a nice little look. I'll put it in the video after I spray this down really well. Let the switch hands. I was watching guys do this on YouTube, and some of them got the hose and sprayed the hell out of it. I don't want to go all that route. Sometimes it's hard as hell to follow instructions, but that's what I'm going to try to do today. So just continue spraying it on there really well. After this, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Let it all soak through and eat all this stuff. You can already see it all going right here. It's pretty dirty, so it must be working. Again, soak the other side. That's the dirty side. This is where the air comes in to go into your intake manifold. And in my airbox, I'm gonna get the little shop vac, fill the nozzle in there, and try to get whatever I can out of the box before it even hits the filter. See what that can do for it too. Other than that, you guys, pretty much no recent projects. Just took off the door handles off my car and plastic dipped those. I'm thinking about doing the interior red, so I have it all blacked out, but I think it's enough cleaner. I'm gonna leave it this side. Let me flip it over. I'm gonna leave it this side down so that way all the dirt and stuff right there soaks to the other side. As you see, it's all soaking already. I make a mess. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it just sit there and soak for about 10 minutes. Let me cover this up. Try not to make too much of a mess. So let me go and show you guys my engine cover and what I've been working on. So, here we go. So this is what I've been working on right here. You guys see the black flakes in it? The lettering right there. I had a little brush. Again, PR3. My airbox, fuse box. I did my strut cover lids too. I just did those today. And I did this as well, my cover for, I don't know what the hell you want to cut, my radiator cover. So as soon as that dries, I'll be able to post up another video with the whole thing done. but it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes to dry, and then I'll get you guys back on when I wash all the cleaner out. Take a quick second to show you guys as I wait for my filter to clean. This is my radiator cover I painted. I'm going to throw it on real quick and get another shot of it for you guys. Check it out, not too bad, huh? Got the strap caps taken care of, engine cover, air box, fuse box, radiator cover. I think it looks pretty good, as long as you're happy with it, right? Alright, so 10 minutes is about to be done. I had just went in and set it up. As you guys can see, there's already dirt and everything coming off of it. A lot of it that came off it was the oil that was lubing it up first. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's get a lot of stuff out. So tempted to just put my finger over the hole and just spray the hell out of it, but that's what it says to do. Try to follow instructions. Now it says that you can repeat process 1 and 2, steps 1 and 2, put the cleaner on it and let it soak and do this over again, but mine's not too bad, so I don't think I'm going to do that. So after you're done rinsing it off until it's running clear like it is, you let it sit and air dry. You don't want to run compressed air through it, you let it sit out in the heat, just let it sit and regulate air dry. So it's a pretty windy day, chose a good day to do it, so I'm going to let that do that. And then you just put the oil back on it, grease it back up. So I don't think I'm going to let the video sit for that long. But that's about it, you guys. Just reinstall it and you're good to go. Thank you guys.